Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily join a new server on Discord. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just find a server. I don't know, gaming, Discord, server, Reddit. And now let's go here like PC gaming. And I'm going to find some join Discord, and right now I'm going here, okay, join PC gaming, and voila, you got it. Another way is just like go home and then click add server and join, and you want to just copy Discord GG and the server. You can also export servers, right? So I don't know, I'm going to write it like a Reddit, or I don't know, Stoicism, Moderism, Taoism, please, no. Fortnite, of course, no philosophy channels, and you can just choose whatever you want, right? And if I'm going to choose a different one, export servers, and I'm going to write here StarCraft. Like I can go with the Ghost Crew or the Jiggle Nutty Plus. So this is how you can join server on Discord. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me, subscribe, I'll be really thankful for it, and that's kind of it. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya guys, goodbye.